Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another beautiful sunny weekend, long weekend. Like Saturday, Sunday and Monday is a free day. I'm so happy about it. And today's Saturday and I want to make use of it. We're going to be doing some barbecue and I want to show you guys what we are grilling for today. But first of all, in my garden I want to move around and look for some a bunch of flowers, and also I want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much to my subscribers for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you all so much. If you are new here, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you for joining us, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please do subscribe to this channel. Make us grow together. There's a lot of interesting videos that are coming up, lifestyle videos and also beautiful cooking tips. But yeah, and also do not forget to hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. And at the end of this video, if you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave your comment down below, and yes, we will see in our next video. Thank you very much for tuning in, but let's start looking for our flower bunch first. So guys, here we go. Everywhere in garden is growing a lot of beautiful roses and other flowers right now. We actually spend most time in summer outside, and the tables, before you leave it empty, you just go around, look for one or two flowers together and put a little bit highlight on the table. So here we go. We have a beautiful flower bunch for today, and next I will introduce you to the ingredients for today, which is today I will be grilling some vegetable skewers, some pork tenderloins. The pork tenderloins, I'm going to wrap it with the bacon, and I also have sweet corn to grill and the cheese sausage. The pineapple is for dessert, for after meal. I'm going to do some roast pineapple with the vanilla ice and the strawberry sauce. My most highlight for today is the vegetable skewers. I so much love it. I enjoyed it. And the next step is the salad for today. We're going to be doing some Italian salad, which is a black olive, cherry tomato, onion, balsamico vinegar, olive oil, and I also have a zucchini, or you can call it a courgette. So next we are going to start doing the grilling. Here I have everything ready. I have the tenderloin wrapped already with bacon on the skewers, and the vegetable also is ready. Pineapple, I'm going to peel this later. This is the Italian salad. We're going to do the marinade for later, and this marinade is for the vegetables, skewers, and the other one is for the pork tenderloin. And pineapple here, this I will do later. Here I have my homemade barbecue sauce. This sauce was good, like it was tasty. I love it. I'm going to do video of it in one of these videos. And immediately we're gonna start. Like last time, I am not doing the grilling. Ozzy is doing the grilling for today. He is our grill master. He does it so good and he enjoys doing it. First, my corn is ready. That is the highlight, and my vegetable for today. And the tenderloin is almost good to go. Just keep adding some marinade to keep it soft. So guys, Ozzy is just putting the tenderloins on one side just to have space to add other vegetables And here he's also going to kill me for posting this video because he didn't want me to do so because of the scars on his hands. Sweetheart, you're going to be fine. In some days you will get your hands back again. He really loves grilling. This is his hobby. Thank you so much for always being there for us, my super prince. He is not the camera type, he's shy type. We didn't want to show on the video, but be less assured that I'm going to pop him in one of these days. So he's just hardened the vegetables to grill and then top it up with some marinade, which is just olive oil, some spices of your choice, salt, pepper, and whatever you want to add to it to tasting your vegetable. So now we just added also the pineapple. This one we just had it almost at the end because it does not take much time to grill. We just need some aromas of a fire. And then my strawberry sauce, I'm going to heaten it up and then come back and add some honey. Here we go, all the sausage, the meat, tenderlion, corn, we just added it aside not to let it burn, but now it's been transferred to heating it up a little bit. The cheese sausage is well done, the cheese are running out, this shows it's ready to be eaten, and that's it for this grilling day. Here I have my aperitif. I just made this myself, and my bouquet flower is also there. My Italian salad, we just made it with from a balsamico vinegar, olive oil, salt and pepper. And to my strawberry sauce, I just had some teaspoons of honey, and then I am going to mix it, and that's it for the sauce. If you wish, you can add some liquid to it, but this is just fine. Mix it up and you can use it for your dessert. Bread is ready to go, corn, everything is true. I am sorry guys for this quality of this video here. This is because of the sunshade. Pardon me, I am sorry for that. Please, thank you so much for understanding. And we're just going to eat. After then, I am then going to dress the dessert. So to the dessert, here is the pineapple. It's been cold, it's cold already, so it's good to dress. I just had my vanilla ice and some strawberry sauce. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Thank you to my return subscribers. I love you all so much. Thank you for always coming back, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more fun. Also hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a video, and like this video, like and leave your comment. Bye for now. See you in my next video.